Well, good morning folks, and welcome to Jervis Bay. We woke up this morning to this perfect day, and I had a quick phone call to two of my most favourite patrons, and they're down in cold Melbourne at the moment, and they suggested that I play some accordion. So here I am, I'm going to play some accordion to you with the backdrop of the stunning Jervis Bay. And if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.